This is the crocheting method for the third round. 3 chain stitches, 12 double crochet increases, slip stitch. There are 24 stitches in total for this round. Now let's start crocheting the third round. We change the yarn. After completion, cut the green yarn. For the third round, we are going to use red yarn. First, we make 3 chain stitches as the starting chain. Yarn over the hook from bottom to top. Pull through the loop. Complete a chain stitch. 2 chain stitches. 3 chain stitches. Next, we need to crochet a double crochet. Now we start crocheting the third round. For the first stitch, we need to make a double crochet increase. That means we need to crochet 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, the slip stitch location, and this V-shaped stitch consists of the top loop and the bottom loop. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Complete the first double crochet. We put a stitch marker on the first stitch. Pick up this V. We put on the stitch marker. Next, we crochet another double crochet in the same stitch. It's the place where we just crocheted the double crochet. Yarn over the hook and insert into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. Complete a double crochet increase. Now there are 2 double crochets in this stitch. We follow this pattern. We crochet 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Insert into the second stitch. Pick up both yarns of the V-shape. Yarn over from bottom to top and pull out. At this time, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pass through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. We crochet another double crochet in the same stitch. Insert into the same stitch. Now we have completed 2 sets of double crochet increases. For this row, we crochet 2 double crochets in each stitch. Next, we follow this pattern to finish this row. When finished, there will be a total of 24 double crochets. We have also finished this round. Now we need to change the yarn again. The method of changing the yarn is the same as before. We take out the green yarn. Put the green yarn on the desktop. Then take off the stitch marker. Insert into the stitch with the stitch marker. The hook catches the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Pull through the loop in 1 loop. Complete the yarn change. At this time, we can cut the red yarn. This row is now completed.